All right, so we chopped the back of this engine plate off of here because it's just getting in the way of the chain. So now we're gonna get this chain cut, get it finally mounted up, and then we gotta make some spacers for the rear wheel. This is the end we need. Like that.
I love them. It's just kind of, it's that stock feel. I know, but it's just like that factory product feel, you know? Yeah. Like the new car smell.
They're a lot tougher than that.
Yeah. And the soft grips.
First start up.
Goes.
We got no brake, but
that's why I got my hand back to pick the wheel up in case it wants to throw it away.
Hey, wanted to go. Is the gas on?
Let's check it out.
I think gas. That's on. That's gas on.
There we go.
Okay. Give it a little throttle. Hop on that thing and ride it. Oh.
Warm it up first.
Take it off, yeah. Give it some gas. Go for it. Yeah! He doesn't care if it breaks. I wouldn't either. Oh. like
Is that screw still screwed out?
That's what
Oh
it is.
yeah, we still have a throttle screw in there. There's like 50%
I'm like,
more
this thing
throttle.
isn't even revving out.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I felt the same thing. I was like, wait a minute, I'm not using that. Rah, rah, rah. And we got the governor.
Have Chris sit on the bike so we can get like
You want to get a video of what you're doing right now?
yeah.
So we're building a scrub brake.
Yeah, let's get it from the top.
From the top. We're building a scrub brake. It's gonna be activated by the heel of your foot. So, Chris, go ahead. I think right about there would be good, right? Can you think? Not that far from the tire.
Sure, I don't know.
And then Chris's heel. So if you were to heel brake, what do you think? Push down. Okay. So,
And again, you can use brake, or you can always go to the old feetsies yourself.
that was sketchy. Yeah. That was sketchy with the foot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, basically we're gonna bend it right there. So then we'll have our
I would go a little more.
a little more, okay?
There's gonna be kids riding this.
Oh, true. So then all we should have to do is just cut this off. About so.
You even weld like a little pad to it, like a heel pad.
Yeah, well, the little little pedal basically. Yep.
Yep.
All right, so now let's put it all together. We'll weld the brackets on the frame.
And then get the pad ready.
We'll get the pad ready. That's hot. That is so hot. So hot. So this is going down. So we only need a pretty short piece. Probably needs to be about 4 inches. Done. There's our little scrub brake. Put a little piece of grip tape on there. Yep. Push it down and it hits the tire. Boom! Bam!
Works like a wonder.
All right.
Tested and all.
Time to deliver.
Yep. Fenders. Got the head tube off. Redid that. Rack / grab bar. And then we did the front fender on this one. Re-welded that together.
Made the throttle incredible.
Yep. Fixed the throttle.
All these handlebars.
New handlebars.
New lights.
New light. Fixed up and ready to go for the next ride.
Brand new seat.
Yeah, right.
Refurbished.
Yep. All right, we got all the bikes done, and we're going for a ride.
like a family tree. Part of you and part of me.
Go on, Chris. Don't take the break.
Bring the funk back.
All right, they all work.
Do they?
You had the brake. You got out in front of all of us real quick.
It had the greatest acceleration.
It's
but
got
as soon
great
as I hit
acceleration.
top speed, I said, "That's it."
We were gone.
But this foot brake is so neato.
Yeah, it works.
Cool.
All right, thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time.